I've nearly finished replacing all of the numerical codes in this poll data set with their actual word equivalents. I left the last step so that I could show you how to do this. I still need to replace all these 99 number codes with their word equivalents, which in this case is no answer according to the code book. To do that, I'm going to highlight the column, come over here and click Find and Select and Replace, and tell Excel that every time it finds a 99, it needs to change that to no answer, like that. And if I choose Replace All here, it'll do them all at once. And I click OK and close. And now we're ready to analyze this data set with the pivot table. All right, to get the pivot table process started, I need to highlight all of the data that I want to include in the pivot table. That would be all the data in these three columns. And come over here to Insert and choose the pivot table icon. And just take the defaults here, just click OK. And the little pivot table wizard opens up here. Now, for reasons that I explain on the website, APGov, that variable, needs to go here in the row labels box. Party ID needs to go up here in the column labels box. Gender goes down here in the report filter box. And finally, picking up APGov again, it goes down here in the values box. The tricky part about a pivot table is just figuring out which of these variables goes in which of these boxes. And again, I explain on the website the rationale for putting these variables in the boxes that I put them in. Okay, we're ready to close this wizard out. Just going to hit the X up here. And there's the pivot table ready to take a look at. Notice that the gender variable up here, which I use as a filter, we can choose different aspects of that. We can have it show us the percentages for just the females, see how the percentages change. The percentages for just the males, there again, or all of them, males and females together as well as the others.